Welcome back to another episode of the WP Week, your go-to source for the latest updates in the world of WordPress and web security. We have a lineup of exciting news and insights to keep you informed. Let's dive right into the updates you need to stay ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of WordPress and web technologies. Today's episode is sponsored by 20i, the next-gen WordPress hosting partner that supercharges your sites with integrated WP Manager, staging, cloning, and cache without requiring any plugins. Omnisend, a top-rated email and SMS marketing tool for e-commerce, helps you boost sales effortlessly. And Kinsta, the top-rated managed WordPress host on G2 with a 4.85 rating, uses Google Cloud and Cloudflare Enterprise for dedicated resources and offers comprehensive site management tools and 24/7 customer support. Welcome to the WP Week podcast, your go-to source for all things WordPress and beyond. We've got a lot to cover today, so let's dive right in. The ongoing legal battle between WP Engine and Matt Mullenweg, the founder of Automattic, has reached a critical point, with WP Engine filing an injunction against Matt and Automattic. In response, Matt stated, "What they're trying to do is ask a judge to curtail my First Amendment rights," and announced his decision to refrain from further commenting on the case until the legal proceedings around the injunction are resolved. In another legal development, the WP Fusion Lite plugin was removed from WordPress.com after its creator, Jack Arturo, filed a cease and desist letter against Automattic. The letter, filed on October 12, 2024, accused Automattic and WordPress.com of unauthorized trademark usage by displaying the plugin without permission. Automattic has since agreed to remove WP Fusion Lite. On the technical front, WP Engine has introduced new update mechanisms for its free plugins and themes, notifying users that future updates will now interact with WP Engine's update service rather than the WordPress.org platform, as shared by Brian Gardner on X. Next, WordPress has expanded its code of conduct to include private conversations, following an announcement by Automattic's marketing lead, Nicholas Garofalo. Publishing private messages without consent is now classified as an unacceptable behavior under the Community Code of Conduct. Exceptions are only made when such information is shared with the incident response team for reporting concerns. As for access changes, the Making WordPress Slack channel now requires users to log in with a WordPress.org account, which also includes a checkbox confirming non-affiliation with WP Engine. While tensions between WP Engine and Automattic escalate, several hosting providers have launched promotions to attract WP Engine customers looking to migrate. Bluehost, DreamHost, Hostinger, Nexus, Pressable, and WordPress.com are offering special deals for those interested in making the switch. In a gesture of appreciation, WordPress will now publicly acknowledge Salesforce's contributions to its Slack communication platform. Salesforce, which owns Slack, has been a significant but previously under-recognized supporter of WordPress. As a thank you, Salesforce will be given top sponsor slots at major WordCamp events, and its contributions will be acknowledged in the Five for the Future program. For those anticipating WordPress 6.7, Anne McCarthy has published the Source of Truth, a comprehensive guide to all new updates, features, and improvements coming in this release. This resource has been made available through Gutenberg Times to reach a broader audience of creators and developers. More details about WordPress 6.7 have been released, highlighting several exciting features. These include a new plugin template registration API, automatic sizing for lazy loaded images, an extended preview drop-down menu, a revamped block bindings UI, and improvements in internationalization. For the first time, the WordPress Foundation meeting minutes have been published. The meeting featured WordPress Foundation directors Mark Ghosh, Matt Mullenweg, and Chele Chiavachi Farley, with observers Harmony Romo, Isata Pera, and Sarah Glenn. One key takeaway was the foundation's cash position, which stands at $264,680. Topics discussed included Meetup.com fees and future banking strategies. Olga Gleckler and Krupa Nanda have been introduced as the new test team representatives for the 2024-2025 term, tasked with overseeing testing-related efforts within the community. In a notable act of philanthropy, the WordPress Foundation has donated $100,000 to the Internet Archive. The foundation hopes that this contribution will help the organization overcome the recent challenges it has been facing. In the world of analytics, Google Analytics has rolled out a new feature that allows users with editor-level permissions or higher to save segments that can be accessed by all users within a property. This update should improve collaboration among teams working on the same project. From a security standpoint, critical vulnerabilities have been patched in the Ultimate Membership Pro plugin, including an unauthenticated privilege escalation and a PHP object injection vulnerability. Similarly, users of WooCommerce are advised to update to the latest version as a content injection vulnerability was discovered and patched in WooCommerce 9.0.2. In acquisition news, SEMrush has acquired Search Engine Land and its sibling publications, sparking concerns within the community, as pointed out by Akko Stark on X. Meanwhile, private equity firm Permira has completed its acquisition of Squarespace, officially making the website builder a privately held company. Community news highlights include Rocket.net's launch of its agency partner program, which offers a 15% lifetime recurring monthly referral commission to agencies. Additionally, Flying Press has been ranked as the top performer in the Chrome UX report for Core Web Vitals, outpacing competitors such as NitroPack, WP Rocket, and Lightspeed. For developers, the State of CSS 2024 survey is now open. This annual survey measures awareness of new HTML features and browser APIs, helping developers track how these tools are being used and evolving. In hosting, Liquid Web has unveiled a high-performance GPU hosting option, which promises up to 15% better GPU performance for AI and machine learning applications at lower costs. Meanwhile, Cloudways has integrated Immunify 360's firewall into its platform, offering improved protection through automated threat detection and blocking capabilities. Snippet Nest, a new collection of code snippets and tutorials for popular WordPress plugins like ACF, Beaver Builder, Fluent Forms, and Yoast, is live. And for those in need of reliable backups, Solid WP has introduced its new Solid Backups cloud solution for WordPress sites. The latest WooCommerce 9.4 release candidate is now available, bringing improvements to product collection blocks and remote error logging features. Several contributors are stepping back or altering their involvement. Sam Suresh is leaving the WordPress project after 9 years, while Javier Casares returns to the community with a more focused contribution plan. Tanya Mork and Colin Stewart have also paused their contributions, citing concerns about community well-being and trust. Brian Gardner's themes, Powder and Powder Zero, have been officially removed from WordPress.org, as per his request, after losing access to his account. That's it for this week's updates. Remember to stay tuned for more WordPress news, security alerts, and community updates. Thanks for listening to the WP Week podcast sponsored by Kinsta, 20i, and Omnisend. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress news and updates.